Okay, so the first thing I'm going to take is this JCat Beauty Concealer. I'm going to take a super light color and I'm just going to use that as a base. This is more of a fuller coverage concealer, so I kind of wanted to do it a little bit lighter just so the colors can pop on top, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. And then the palette that I'm going to be using today is also from JCat Beauty. I think it's like $8. I'm going to take the yellow color, it's a matte yellow color, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm really going to pack that on and just add it to the inner corner and a little bit on my lid, like going on to the beginning of my lid. And then the next color I'm going to use is this lime. It's like a soft lime green color. I'm going to apply that right next to the yellow color. I'm just going to take that to about halfway to my lid, and then I'm going to take this matte orange color and I'm just going to put it just a little bit. I'm not really going to go to all the way to the outer corner of my eye. I'm kind of using it more as kind of like a transition shade between the lime green and the blue that I'm going to be putting at the end. Then I'm going to go back into the palette and take the top blue matte color and I'm going to put that in the outer corner of my eye. And I kind of had to pack on these colors and kind of just blend afterwards. So you just want to make sure the colors, the shadows are all blended on the top, blended upward. And then I just got these new Milani eyeliners, colorful eyeliners. It's more of a lime green and a yellow, so I applied the yellow first, and I was a little disappointed with these. They are super bright, super pigmented, but I did notice a lot of cracking on mine, but I did go over each line twice just to make it more vibrant. So I don't know if I just went one time there would be no cracking. I'm not sure, but it wasn't happening with the cracking, but the colors are just really, really pretty and vibrant. And then for lashes, I use Profusion Cosmetics. These come in a big box. I doubled them up actually. I put 2 on each eye. I will try to find these and link these in the description box. Okay, so I'm going to do my face and then I'm going to finish my eyes. I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Prep HD Color Correcting Face Primer. I'm actually just going to put it right here and a little bit on my forehead. I have this like discoloration right here. Looks like a hickey on my forehead because last night I used one of those little face sucker things, nose suckers, blackhead remover thing. For foundation, I'm going to take LA Girl Pro Coverage, but just to give a little bit more coverage, fuller coverage, I'm going to take a little bit of the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. Honestly, if I had this for so long, it's probably not even good anymore. I should throw this away. So yeah, I used that blackhead sucker thing last night and I was trying to really get this area right here and I left it too long. Because with those things, if you leave it for too long, ooh, you will have hickeys all over your face. I got mine from Amazon if you guys want to try it out. The one I got works pretty good. I always have a link in the description box with my Amazon page. For concealer, I'm going to take this JCat Beauty Stay Assurance Concealer. This color's kind of too light for me. It's got more of a fuller coverage, which I like. I just think this color might be a little light. This is a ColourPop sponge. Forgot it dries pretty fast. I'm gonna switch to a brush. I got used to using the brush now. I'm gonna set that, and what I'm going to set it with is the Milani translucent powder. Make It Last translucent powder. And I'm gonna use this little ColourPop sponge. also going to set my forehead. I'm gonna finish my under eyes. I'm gonna go back into the palette, and I'm gonna take this blue right here, and then maybe a little bit of this blue. Sure. But I'm gonna connect this blue right here. Just gonna tap it so I don't get a lot of fallout. I think I'm gonna put yellow in the inner corner. Yeah, in the first half, I'm just gonna put yellow right here. In my waterline, I'm going to take this eyeliner, and it's in the color Cobalt. This eyeliner pencil. It's really, really pretty blue. I mean, like Finding Dory blue. It's really, really pretty. I don't know why I've been so into doing like really bright colors lately. I just want to do bright colors. And I know nobody watches these videos because the neutral eyeshadows get more views than these. But I just want to switch it up. It's summer, just do bright colors. Went and I found this. What's this? I went and found this NYX Color Mascara. I think I've had this for a while. It's just in blue. Focus. I've had it for a while. Might be a little dried out. I need to play with color mascara more. I always just ignore it, to be honest. Okay, for bronzer again, I'm going to take the Makeup Geek Sunkissed Fair Skin Bronzer, just because I really like this one, as you can see. I don't have my nails on because I don't know what I want to do with my nails next. You guys have any ideas? If you guys have any ideas what I should do with my nails next, let me know. I'm gonna do my nose with that too. Okay, and then before I move on, I'm gonna take this Milani setting powder again, but this is 03 Banana. And I'm going to clean up under my bronzer with that one. I like this one because I can't normally use a banana powder on my skin, even though my undertone is yellow of my skin, but it just doesn't look right. On camera, it looks okay. You can't really tell, whoa, but in person, can't really tell that much, but in person, it'll look so dark on me. But this one isn't bad at all. Well, that does this thing. I'm going to put blush, and I'm going to use the NYX Coral Dream. Just a little bit, don't want a lot. Just going to put it like on the apples of my cheeks. I don't want any highlighter at all. I'm just going to put a little bit on my nose. I'm using this Pixie. Don't know if they still have this. Glowy Gossamer Duo. I don't know. I think this came in a set. I'm not sure. But I'll link it below if they still have it. I'm going to take this one right here. Pixie sold at Target. Whoa. That is bright. Shoot. It's really pretty, but I'm not going to put any... I don't think I'm going to put any on my cheeks. No, I don't think I'm going to put any on my cheeks. Wipe this off. And as I'm wiping it, I like to kind of blend it in with the rest of my makeup. I think you guys know how I am about lipstick already. I pretty much use like the same ones over and over. But since it's a drugstore video, I just had this NYX, what is this? I just got these like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago or something. Filler Instinct Beach Casual is the color. Plumping Lip Color. Ooh. Oh, it's a regular lipstick. Oh, it's too light. Ooh, it feels really good though. I don't like this color for this look, but beach casual, duh. It's a really pretty color, but I don't really like it for this look. And I didn't get out another drugstore lipstick, so what am I gonna do? So you guys can pick whatever lipstick you want. I'm just putting on a little, what is this? Time Los Angeles Macchiato. One of my favorites. And then last, I'm gonna spray my face with the new Milani setting sprays, Fruit Fetish, Make It Last. It's like a 3-in-1 setting spray. This is in the scent Mango Coconut.